You getting lucky tonight for New Year's? My girlfriend and I were visiting with some friends out of town for New Year's. We were actually there for the week from after Christmas. When New Year's got closer, we were debating if we should go out to one of the many parties in the area, or stay in and have something quieter. We ended up opting for the second option because we had our flight back home the next morning and didn't want to party all night. So we had a really nice evening, my girlfriend and I, our hosts. Let's call them Jack and Jill, and their neighbors. It was a pleasant evening with wine, snacks, and pleasant conversation. There was some flirting on Jack and Jill's part, but we've gotten pretty comfortable around each other over the week. Finally, the countdown arrived. We rung in the new year, all the couples did their thing and gave pecks, and it was time to wrap up. The neighbors left for their home, and we were cleaning up in the kitchen. When we finished cleaning and we were saying our goodnights, Jack said, "Wait, I don't get a New Year's love." I knew he was joking, but the wine